A good walk, Sarah? Do you like the walk? Showing everybody the lamb's tushy. Hear a little rattle? Hear all those birds? Yeah? Are you looking at the camera? No, okay. Hey, we're almost home, huh? Yay. We'll go home and get all cleaned up. Yeah? And take a nap. Does that sound good? And then we'll get nice and clean for when Daddy gets home. And you can smell nice and fresh. Get you a bath. Yeah, sleepy eyes.